Now, this is how to use the Google Classroom. Assuming that you already have a Google account, what you're going to do now is you click here. Let us say this is the subject that you want to create. You can write here the schedule of your class and the time, and then the subject title so that we can easily view. Okay, when a student view this one, they can see the title of the subject and the code. The code is the one that they're going to use once they join the class. So in here, you can post the link in your Google Meet. You can copy the link and post it either in Stream or Classwork if it is an activity. You can also invite people here for students with their email ad. Now, if the school uses a domain, that is what that we're going to use. Otherwise, they cannot log in. Now, for classwork, you can add here in create the material. If you have a material that you're going to attach, you post it here. You write a title and copy the link either in YouTube, for example. If you have a channel, you can get the link. Okay, for example, in this case, you can get the link in here. Okay, all you have to do is copy the link. So going back, okay, copy the link and post it in your Google Classroom. So where will you get the link? You go to your channel and view the link. So in this case, you can go to the library of your YouTube or your videos and get the link and post it in your Google Classroom. Example is this. Okay, let us say I'm going to post this video. Okay, you can also use share and get the link, share it to your Google Classroom. Okay, so you copy this one, copy the link. Okay, you will know it because the computer will indicate that's only the link, and you post it here. Right click and then paste, and then put a title. Okay, let us say practice. Okay, so you post it so the students can see it. That's how to use the Google Classroom. Now, if you are a student, you can join. Okay. So instead of creating a class, all you have to do is to join. That's it.